In this world of anxiety, everyone has a dream. The sea you always wanted to go to, and the freedom you admire. There is also a distant place to go. SHRC drone. Excellent lightweight and foldable body for flexible flight with stability. Why do you need a big bag during travel? Put down the baggage to jump higher. Smart flow function. Easy to own furniture technology smart photographer. Powerful GPS satellite positioning system. Multiple intelligent security. Breaking the signal can also return intelligently, making adventure no longer dangerous. A new generation of modular portable batteries. Long battery life to accompany you to a distant place. They said that the meaning of travel is to have new eyes. Enhanced version of the surround shooting function. Easily shoot advanced effects. Looking at the world from another angle, it turned out to be so interesting. I want to be far away. I can arrive when I wake up. SHRC Smart Travel Drone. Making everything possible.